Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crunchy pickles at home. The secret to truly crunchy pickles starts with selecting the right cucumbers and preparing them properly. We'll cover essential steps like trimming the blossom end and using an ice bath to ensure your pickles have that perfect snap every time. Get ready to transform your cucumbers into a delightful, crisp treat. Now, let's talk about the brine, which is crucial for both flavor and preservation. You'll need a balanced mix of water, vinegar, and pickling salt. A 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water is ideal for most pickles. Don't forget to add your favorite spices and a touch of sugar to round out the flavors. Heating the brine ensures everything dissolves perfectly. Once your cucumbers are prepped and your brine is ready, it's time to pack those jars. Arrange your cucumbers snugly, adding fresh dill, garlic cloves, and any other spices you love. Carefully pour the hot brine over everything, making sure the cucumbers are fully submerged. Seal the jars tightly, and then you can either process them for long-term storage or simply refrigerate for quick enjoyment. To truly maximize that satisfying crunch, always start with fresh, firm pickling cucumbers. Avoid older, softer ones. Adding a tannin-rich ingredient like a grape leaf or a bay leaf to each jar can also help maintain firmness. Finally, proper storage in a cool, dark place will ensure your homemade crunchy pickles stay crisp and delicious for weeks or even months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.